Hello friends, Michael with you today, and I trade binary options on the PocketOption platform. And in the description below this video, you will find a link to my private Telegram channel where you can find a lot of really useful information about trading signals and etc. Also, I recommend to go there because you will have a really nice bonus as a deposit, 50% free to register on PocketOption platform. So let's start today's trading, and I start with the deposit of $9,000. As we can see, the price is rising to its mirror support level. I expect a rebound, so I'm going to buy at $200 as usual. And let's talk about IDO cryptocurrencies. What is it? Currently, IDO initial DEX offers is the main and one of the most effective ways to raise funds when using a new cryptocurrency token sale. Investors can participate in this procedure. For a crypto project, IDO is a way to raise funds, and for an investor, it is in fact an opportunity to be among the very first to purchase new tokens and still make money on it. A kind of participation analog in an IPO. So, there are many ways to earn money on cryptocurrency. Participation in IDO is one of them. Moreover, the advertising of investing in IDO promises multiple X, a multiple increase in investments. So in this article, we will analyze in more detail the term and procedure of IDO, the principle of operation, advantages and disadvantages, the technology of investing in IDO, and much more. So the deal brought us $384, guys. That's perfect. So the price continues to move up, so I'm behind it. So ICO, initial coin offering, from the English initial coin offering, is the very first model of fundraising for the launch of a new cryptocurrency, which is held on the website of the project owner. There are several regulatory requirements here. For example, the publication of a technical document describing the work of the cryptocurrency, which everyone can read. This can be compared to an issue prospectus before an IPO, but there are many loopholes in this method, and the actual lack of regulation, which makes ICO very risky and vulnerable since 2017. About 80% of ICOs have been recognized as fraud. Any ICO project could promise impressive profits, and as a result, after collecting money, the project quickly disappeared. This has greatly undermined investors' confidence in this type of financing. But there are also successful examples of ICOs. One of the most popular Ethereum coins raised funds in this way. So the deal brought us $384. After closing the deal, the price rolled back a little to the entry point, so I go into the purchase again at $200. STO, security token offers, from English security token offers, they issue and sale for special security tokens. Utility token, in this case, the issued cryptocurrency is already closer to traditional instruments since it represents a real share in assets, which allows you to collect digital funds but at the same time comply with government regulations. In fact, security tokens issued through STO are digital representations of real assets, stocks, bonds, and gold, but based on the blockchain. So the deal brought us $384. I continue to go into the purchase for $200. How IDO works. Initially, everything proceeds from the fact that any project needs to receive funds for financing. At earlier stages, funds came from private venture investors, but with the time and expansion, there is a need for launch funds and its own cryptocurrency to interact with the project platform. So then there is a need for IDO. We will talk in more detail about the launch of the procedure on the part of the issuer and participation on the part of the investor below. And here we will study the details and the principle of the operation of IDO. The work of IDO is inextricably linked with liquidity pools. When users fix their funds on the platform with the possibility of their subsequent withdrawal and receiving remuneration depending on the time of funds provision. For DEX, sufficient liquidity allows you to work without any unexpected failures in the cryptocurrency exchange rate. This is also facilitated by arbitration. The deal closed at $384. So it looks like the price doesn't tend to grow much, but continues to make a profit. So I will go into the purchase again for $200. Advantages and disadvantages of IDO. It may seem that IDO has only advantages for all its participants, but this is not the case. And IDO has its vulnerabilities. So here we will analyze the main advantages and disadvantages of IDO. Advantages of IDO. Immediate liquidity. After the completion of IDO, the collected funds fall into the liquidity pool, which immediately creates an active market with its inherent mechanism and trading opportunities. Convenient and fast trading. Since the placement takes place on a decentralized exchange, users do not need to undergo complex registration, provide personal information, or pay for the opportunity to participate. So all you need is a crypto wallet with enough money, and you can join the trade immediately after the listing is completed. Fair trading. The procedure for issuing cryptocurrencies using DEX is transparent and secure. Developers often set a limit of the purchase of a large number of coins by one user in order to maintain decentralization and eliminate dominance by one user. The deal brought us $384. So okay, since the price doesn't want to go up, then I will turn around to go on sale for $200. Stages of launching IDO cryptocurrencies. Globally, the launch of IDO can be divided into 5 main stages. Of course, users should be able to create their own cryptocurrency and know other technical details of the industry. Step 1. Develop a business strategy. Any undertaking, especially in investment, begins with planning and developing your own strategy. In IDO, the strategy should contain the essence of the problem that the new crypto project is designed to solve, the goal of creating and issuing cryptocurrencies, the distribution of funds, the blockchain of the project, marketing strategy, long-term plans, and etc. Step 2. Create marketing support. This includes not only active advertising of the project, but also all related materials and documents. This is a high-quality website with all necessary information, a correct technical document explaining the technological part of the project, the image of the project as a whole. Providing all this at a high level increases the trust and interest of users, and therefore determines the potential success of the project. The deal brought us $384. I thank you guys for watching this video to the end. I'm very tired to speak, but it's very, very, very useful information for you watch today. So don't forget to like, write any comments, subscribe to my channel. There is always only useful information about trading signals and analysis. That's all for today. I wish you only successful trading sessions. As always, Michael was with you, and goodbye.